So EVs are hot, but everything with a battery eventually dies. How long will it last before you need a replacement? Let's go. So EVs and hybrids don't use lead acid batteries like they are in regular cars. They use lithium ion, kind of like what's in your phone. Well, until these cars are on the road for decades, we won't have a definitive answer, but we can draw a couple conclusions. First, look at the warranties. Most EV batteries are warranted for 8 years or 100,000 miles, depending on the manufacturer. Tesla claims that their batteries will stay at 70% for the remainder of their warranty. Real-world experience seems to back that up. EV batteries should last about 1,000 charge cycles. So we can do a little bit of math. Let's multiply that by a 300-mile range, so that you have roughly 300,000 lifetime miles. But how long the battery actually lasts depends on a few factors, though. The main enemy of battery life is the heat. So park it in a garage or out of the direct sun will help you keep your battery to peak performance. Now, fast charging also generates heat, so slower overnight charging is better for the batteries in the long run. And even though EVs are a ton of fun to drive, hard driving will generate more heat. So look, go easy on the pedal. For my EV drivers, what has your experience been like? Have you had to change the battery? Has it been running pretty smoothly for you? Drop a comment below, let us all know.